Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making a Google Cloud project and enabling the Gmail API. This grants the application access. Once done, set up the OAuth consent screen or a service account depending on whether users will sign in. Make sure to select the minimum scopes needed so permission prompts are clear. Next, create OAuth 2.0 credentials or download a service account key and store them securely. These files are what your app uses to authenticate to Gmail and request tokens. You then wire up authentication and the client library in your codebase, install Google's SDK for your language, and import the Gmail service. Next, implement the OAuth flow, redirect users to consent, capture the code, exchange it for access and refresh tokens, and persist them securely. Make sure your code requests only the necessary Gmail scopes and configures automatic token refresh so sessions remain valid. Finally, initialize the Gmail client with credentials and perform a simple API call to list labels to verify every. You finish by implementing the actual Gmail operations, sending messages, reading threads, or modifying labels, while batching requests and respecting quotas. Deploy your app with credentials stored securely and enable monitoring and logging to catch API errors early. Make sure retries and exponential backoff are in place for transient failures. If something goes wrong, a common fix is to reauthorize. Check that requested scopes match your console configuration. Revoke and request consent again, and confirm tokens were stored and refreshed correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.